Hello children, welcome to Computer Digital Learning Platform. I hope you are doing well. I am Preeti Joshi here to introduce the topic Input and Output Devices for Grade 2. My dear children, be ready with your computer textbook, page number 18, notebook, a pencil and an eraser. Through this session, we are learning to understand how a computer works. Let us start with working of a computer. A computer cannot work on its own. We need to enter letters, numbers, pictures and instructions into the computer to make it work. These are called data. Children, different parts of a computer do different tasks. Now let us understand how a computer works. A computer works in three basic steps. They are input, process, output. Keyboard and mouse as input, CPU as process and monitor as output. Let us understand these steps by taking an example of our body parts. Example number 1. When a teacher asks us a question, we hear with our ears and see with our eyes. The ears and eyes are the input units. Our brain stores everything that a teacher says, then it thinks of an answer and orders us to speak. In this way, the brain works like a processing unit. When we answer with our mouth, it works like an output unit. Now we will see one more example, that is example number 2. Here a plant takes in water and gives flowers. Taking in is called input, growing is process and giving flowers is called output. Water is the input and flowers are the output of a plant. Let's solve the activity number 1. Look at the pictures given below and help in completing the process flow. Label the boxes with I for input, P for processing and O for output. Here I have given the stepwise pictures. First one, ingredients to make a cake. Second, oven for baking. Third is cake. Children, you need to identify and label the boxes with I for input, P for processing and O for output. First one is ingredients to make a cake. I, that is input. Baking in the oven is processing, that is P. When baking will finish, cake is output, that is O. Similarly, the second one is making toys with clay. First one is I for input, P for processing, O for output. Let us understand the mind map on input and output devices. Children, you know the parts of computer. They are monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse. Let us understand input devices and output devices. Mouse and keyboard are the input devices of a computer, and monitor, speaker and printers are the output devices of a computer. Home play is list to the input, process and output for any product shown in activity 1 and write in the notebook. Thank you. Bye children.